everybody. This is Shakana from Shakana Sweet Treats and Good Eats. Some of you might know me from Chat with CCJ. And I'm just popping on to say hey and see how you guys are doing. It's been a minute since I've been on and just wanted to say hello and see how things are going. Today I'm in the kitchen trying out a new recipe, pulled barbecue pork sandwiches. So I found the recipe on Pinterest and I'm going to try it out. And here are some of the spices that I'm gonna be using with it. So these are the spices that I'm gonna put on the pork shoulder. That's the meat I'm using, beef, pork, or actually pork, pork shoulder that I'm gonna be using. And we're gonna see how it turns out. We have to let it cook for like 6 to 8 hours. So I'm gonna check it and see during that time if it's as tender as I want, and if so, then we're going to shred it up. Okay, y'all, I'm attempting pulled barbecue pork sandwiches today. So I got my pork shoulder in here, all seasoned and ready to go. And we'll tune back in when it's done. I think I have to let it cook here for about 8 hours. So, or at least until it's tender enough that I like. So we'll see what happens. I'll report back soon. Bye. Okay, so far our pork shoulder is doing good. It's cooking really good. Smells good. So just checked in on it and moved it around a little bit so everything can continue cooking. But still got a little ways to go yet. But we just wanted to check in on it real quick.